Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe. Thank you, and let's start. So in this video we're looking at how to fix the R2 and the R1 buttons on your PS3 controller. Please, this tutorial is for those who use the fake ones, the China made ones. I'm not talking of the OG controllers, I'm talking of the China made controllers, as I'm having one. So some people have issues whereby when they disassemble their controller, after assembling it, they will notice that the R2 and the R1 is loosened. It is not that it doesn't snap back when you press it as it was when you buy it new. So this is just a simple trick or a simple tutorial to show you what you've missed in doing it and what you should do now to fix it. So in much as I talk, let's just watch the video. Kindly watch the video and follow along as I do. I know it might be long and it might be short sometimes, but please just follow along, it will help you. If you just follow what I do, you will get it easy and very fast. Thank you. So there are some pins at the inside of the R button, the LB and RB button in the controller. There are some tiny pins like that. Always make sure that pin or that metallic pins are at the back of the LB pads where they always press the board. Yeah. So if you can't really understand what I'm saying, just kindly follow the video, just follow along. You see how I've inserted it without any issues. But make sure anytime you are putting your controller back, make sure everything is fitted properly before you do that, so that it will prevent you from opening the controller and putting it back again. Just be sure before you start and you continue. So kindly just watch the video and follow along.